Best AMV Editing App for Android in 2024. So, to create a good AMV edit, you will need this following features like Twixtor, time remap, rsmb, and much more. Node Video is the best pick to get Twixtor and rsmb and do time remap, which works efficiently in most of the Android phones. And to make the edit, the best pick is alight motion for Android device with required features to make a good-looking edit. Is easily done with alight motion. Remember this, use Node Video to get Twixtor, rsmb time remap, use alight motion to make the edit. Use Wink app to increase quality. Wink app lets you increase the quality of your edit, from normal to 4K quality in minutes, like Topaz from PC. But active internet connection required, though. Don't worry if don't know how to use any of these apps. Just let me know in the comments, I will help you. You can check out the tutorials of alight motion and Node Video in this channel, links in description. Thanks for watching, remember to subscribe. See you soon.